Hi, it's Andy here at Photech Video. A couple of weeks ago, I was lucky enough to be on a business trip to Miami, Florida. And on one of the days that it didn't rain, I decided to take my Sony ZV E10 mirrorless APS-C camera and this amazing little 35mm f1.6 manual focus lens made by the company Risepray to take some shots around South Beach area and Ocean Drive. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the results of my outing with my camera and my little 35mm f1.6 manual focus lens, which cost me just €35 on Aliexpress. So even though this lens is an f1.6 at its maximum aperture, as it was a bright day, I closed down the lens and I took these photos on an aperture of f8 with an ISO value of 100, and some of the photos were also taken on ISO 50 at the corresponding shutter speed to get the correct exposure. Well, there you have it. It's really surprising the quality of the photos that you can get from this cheap 35mm f1.6 manual focus lens for just $35 euros on Aliexpress. I hope you liked the photos. Please leave your comments in the comment section of this video. And if you did like the video, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring on that notification bell to be notified every time a new video drops on my channel. So until the next time, this is Andy at Photech Video signing off. Take care and be safe.